guys, it's Michelle. Welcome back to my cooking channel. Today I'm with my little ones. Here is
Maryella.
And here is
Marley.
We're gonna make bread. Mariella's gonna make us a homemade bread all by herself. And Marley's gonna teach us how to make some butter. So join us in our kitchen as we cook. Our ingredients for today are
A bag, salt and yeast,
flour,
all-purpose flour, warm water, and heavy whipping cream. So you need a bag, and you have to pour your flour in.
How much flour do we have?
1.5
cups.
1.5 cups, and
You're gonna put it in there. Just pour it. Okay.
Whoa.
And then what?
Really cool. And then we're gonna put yeast.
It's a heaping teaspoon. There you go. And then what are you gonna put?
Salt.
And that's also a heaping teaspoon.
And then we're going to put.
You're gonna close it?
Okay, we're gonna close it.
And then what are you gonna do?
Wait, close it.
Did it close?
We're gonna
Shake, shake, shake.
shake it.
Shake it.
Okay.
Put all the ingredients
Why is it cold?
Let's mix it all up.
Ah, it's cold.
The flour's cold?
Yeah.
Oh. So we're gonna wait a little bit so the flour won't be cold.
Now we're gonna add lukewarm water.
How much water is it?
I forgot.
2/3 cup?
Yeah.
Okay. Just put it in there. And then what are you supposed to do?
Now we have to close the bag and shake it.
You're shaking and you're gonna start kneading?
Yeah.
All right, keep going. And now once you have that all mixed together, what are we gonna do?
Wait, it's not mixed together yet. It took me like a minute to do this.
It's a minute of kneading. You heard it from her. Is it mixed together now? It's all mixed together, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now you're gonna open it.
I'm gonna open the bag.
And this is the hardest part, right?
Uh-huh.
Leave it alone. How long?
For 2 hours.
That's the hardest part, right?
Yep.
Yep. Okay, we'll be back in 2 hours, guys.
Now, we need heavy whipping cream now.
Okay, so we're gonna put some heavy whipping cream. We're not measuring this, guys. We're just gonna pour it. And now what are you gonna do?
Close it.
Okay, close it for me. Make sure it's all snapped. Can you snap it? Do you need help? Uh-oh, no. Let me help you. And now what do you do?
Shake it.
Shake it? How long? Like 10 minutes?
Yeah.
Until it gets hard?
Yeah.
Okay, shake.
It's pretty hard to shake.
It's hard to shake for 10 minutes?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like torture, right?
Yeah, when I was making butter, I was shaking it, but it was too hard for me. I kept shaking, and then I stopped.
Because you get tired?
Sure.
Okay, well, we're going to keep shaking, right?
Yep.
For 10 minutes.
So we're gonna open this.
You finished shaking?
Yeah.
Yeah, is your hand all shaky?
Yeah.
Yeah. We all took turns, guys. Look at the butter. Butter. Now pour it in here. So, okay. Keep going. Ah. Well, we missed a little, but that's okay. And Mommy's gonna fix it, okay? Mommy's gonna finish the butter, okay? So now, I sent her to go play. Let's put this in here. See now, that, what's left in there is buttermilk, and your butter is here. So I'm gonna squeeze out, try to leave this up here. Squeeze out what's left, like all the buttermilk there. And then I'm gonna actually rinse it. You just rinse it. We'll just rinse it like this. And then I'm gonna continue to squeeze out the liquid from in here, and then I'm gonna salt the butter. So now that I've rinsed and drained all the buttermilk from the little bit of butter, I'm gonna put some salt. It's some coarse kosher salt, so I'm gonna grind it a little with my hand. And then all you do is mix it up just to get all that salt incorporated into the butter. Homemade butter is so delicious, guys. And it's not really hard. I would recommend using a whisk. Egg beater, I mean, with a whisk attachment or mixer, something besides shaking it. But we usually take turns shaking, and then you can't feel your arms. So I'm not gonna lie, my arms are a little shaky right now, but at least it keeps the girls busy for a little bit. So, and this is a good activity, like if you're having family coming over for Thanksgiving or something and you wanna make, you know, fresh biscuits and butter and all kinds of stuff in the morning for breakfast. This is a good activity to do with everybody. Get a mason jar, pretty nice size one, and fill half of it with the heavy whipping cream and just start passing it along. Okay, so I'm gonna just put the butter in there, and if you roll it up like that, you can get it into a little log. There you go. And I'm gonna pop this in the fridge, and it's just gonna harden up just like that. So it's gonna be like a little cylinder. It's so cute. My little baby made this.
Oh, hi guys, it's ready. So I need to peel like that and then just right.
You open it up.
Yeah.
You need help?
Yeah, I need
Okay,
help.
pull it.
Pull.
Okay, stop. And then we're going to, what are we gonna do? Hold it up here.
Hold.
And then what are we gonna put in there?
We're gonna put some
flour. Okay, now with clean hands.
Wait, no, I wanna do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So ball it up, grab it and put it here.
Okay, and so I have to grab it into a ball.
Yeah, with the flour everywhere.
Ah, feels so weird. I've never felt this before because the last time I made it, you did it instead of me.
Put it here. I'm gonna flour your surface here.
Okay.
Just start putting it on here. Just grab it. Right.
I got
put
a
it here.
bunch of it. Yeah.
And put it. Keep going. We're gonna have to knead this a little because it's not as smooth. This side is smoother. Keep going.
Get
all of it.
All that flour.
Let me help her out for a second. Now I'm gonna sprinkle some more flour, and you're gonna knead it for a little bit. So grab it and massage it a little. Make it go into a ball. Don't tear it, just massage it. Isn't she cute? A little bit more flour. Make sure you don't get sticky. Can I show you how? Can Mommy show you how to knead it for a second?
Yeah. But
Okay,
then
so you knead it, and you don't have to knead it that much. But this is how you knead dough. Now, make sure you just knead it a couple times. Don't rip it. Just
What happens if you rip it?
Well, then that's not kneading. You're breaking it apart. Now roll it into a ball.
Okay. Roll.
Roll it. Roll it. Roll it. And then we're going to get it onto our parchment paper, and we're going to stick it in the oven, right? Are we going to slice it so it could look pretty?
Okay.
No.
It's
Just
a
roll it into a
little.
ball. Mommy's gonna help you roll it into a ball. And then you wanna cut it?
Yeah, I wanna cut it.
Okay, so we're gonna slice just some slices on top too.
This is the scary part.
Why is it the scary part?
I have to hold the knife.
You get a serrated knife, and then Mommy's right here. Slice through it.
Just so you know, you can do whatever design you want.
Okay, that's enough.
But I'm doing
Okay, that's enough. Put one over here.
right here.
Uh-huh. That's it. That's it.
Yeah. Whoa.
Okay, now we're gonna stick it in the oven. And how long? Do you remember how long you have to put it in the oven for? Do you?
Whole day.
25 to 30 minutes in a what? 450 degree oven. Yes. So Mommy's gonna do that because it's hot, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay, we'll do that. All right, now for the Mommy part, since I already got nervous and let her use a knife, I'm gonna stick this in a 450 degree oven. And I'm gonna bring this down to 30. Oops, I brought it down too much. To 30 minutes. So our bread is ready. And I'm going to stop this. It went for the full 30 minutes. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. So I'm gonna let it sit here. I'm gonna pull it out of the oven and I'm going to sit it here for, close that, at least 15 minutes before we cut into it. Pretty hot, but listen to that. That's beautiful. We'll be right back. All right, guys, our bread is cool. Listen to that. It's not like completely cooled down because it's been 15 minutes, so it's still a little warm and toasty. I'm gonna cut into our bread. Ooh.
It smells like cereal.
It smells like cereal. That's the horchata. Wow, guys, look at this bread. Look how nice. It's still steamy. I'm gonna go get the butter. Who's excited to taste some bread?
Me.
Me three. So we have some bread.
I don't want to taste the bread.
You don't want to taste the bread? You want to taste your butter?
Yeah.
We're spreading some butter on the bread. Okay, you taste first.
I'll taste.
You taste.
Wait, can I have
Hurry up and
some
taste.
butter?
More butter?
Yeah.
Okay, here's your bread. Taste it. Grab your bread. Taste it.
That is really good.
Mm-hmm. Mm. Don't mind the little one. I don't know what happened to her. This is really good. You guys have to try homemade butter. Super easy. And this bread, you can't get any easier because a 7-year-old made it in a bag. So I'm going to put the recipe down below. If you liked this video, go ahead and hit like down below. And don't forget to subscribe for more recipes. Bon appetit!